Welcome to Inspired Intelligence.
It has been a year and we have accomplished so much. We wanted to share with you guys who we are, what we believe, and what we've done.
So it's been such an exciting year for us, Inspired Intelligence. We started a year ago just flying drones. From there, we've grown so much. We implemented in our business LiDAR equipment so we can scan from the ground. And recently, we started to work with such a cool technology, underwater drones. We also were always inspired by unique companies that actually reinventing the wheel, companies that thinking out of the box and not afraid to take risks and come up with new technologies. We are small, We're a family business located in Georgia, United States, and we are out-of-the-box thinkers. We always try to think out of the box. We love the challenge, and the most important thing we believe in, the relationship with our customers. We want to bring back this old-fashioned approach of doing business. We want our relationship with our customers to be professional, but also personal. We are so passionate about what we do.
And we are more than excited to share this passion and journey with you guys.